Yeah, YouTube, I'm back again with another video. Yeah, today I'm fixing the country. Let's listen to this one.
Did Chris Brown? Oh, did Chris Brown credit you for that? Nothing, nothing. Listen, when I was the first person to do your Kilimanjaro challenge, or first popular person to do it, and it blew up because they were not snide. Use your.
Okay, me, my plan is Farook must fight with Ghost, and Thando must fight with Lebo. So Nwabile and Zile and King Umar must host a boxing match for YouTubers and stuff.
Guys, me, I think this will be the solution. Yeah, comment if you think I'm right. Peace.